alone. The wreckage of what now is gone. Back to you to fight another day. I'll go on and on and on and on. I'll face it, the demons I created with every last part of me. The pain will fade and I'll go on and on and on and on. Black and blue, I crawl to you.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise one shot.
As you all know, my next opponent at the finale is going to be none other than CM Punk. He has proven to the entire unsupervised wrestling roster that he's a worthy opponent against me for the World Heavyweight Championship. But I still don't think so. He hasn't proven to me how good of a fighter he is. He's proven to me how much of a coward he is. So at the finale, I'm going to show everybody why I'm going to be the forever champion. I'm always going to be here. I'm here every day. I'm the first to clock in, the last one to leave. So everything is going to come full circle at the finale when my hand gets raised. My promo. What do you have to say? Go on, say it right now. I want to know what's on your mind, Punk.
A couple weeks ago, I attacked you. Remember that? When I GTS you, cleaning the bloody face that Kane gave you. What happened? The next time we were on camera, you said, this man right here, CM Punk, never right here. What is this? It's a contract. A contract I won. A contract I took off the ladder, held it high up in the sky after beating 4 different men at the same time. Men that you thought were better than me. I've proven myself. I am the best in the world. So you, John Cena, you apologize for what you said.
I'm not gonna have to see.
See, you think this is some type of game, some type of... I said, you will apologize. You will like it.
I'm not gonna apologize to someone like you. You have proved nothing to unsupervised wrestling, that you're just a coward. You sneak behind people, behind their backs. Like you mentioned, after I beat Kane to reclaim this, you attacked me from behind. I had blood in my eyes. I couldn't see anything that was happening. But when this rain around us is gonna go away, everything's gonna be clear. Let's talk about how you interrupted me during my match with Solo. I know the Silver on and laid the smackdown on him, but you just wanted to come out like a punk bitch. And the small spike to my throat, and after your pancake, you came out, hit me with the chair. Didn't do that. So
Like,
you have
no. You can whine, bitch, complain, cry about the same shit. You have been the star of the show for too long. CM Punk, the best in the world, the one that holds the contract that can take your title around your waist, around my shoulder, and simply, your whole career is over. You need to understand, Cena, that at the finale, not just John Cena will be over, not just his career. John Cena, you can say goodbye to him. You can say goodbye to unsupervised wrestling. And one last thing, you can say goodbye to the unsupervised World Heavyweight Championship, which will be around CM Punk. And I'll blow you a kiss goodbye and walk straight out of this bitch. Because I am the best in the world, the best on the mic, the best in the yard, the best you ever know. And before you decide to walk back 30, talk all the shit you want to everyone else, I want you to apologize.
There's nothing to be sorry about. I said what I said. I'm not taking back none of it.
You
So
will.
you can kiss my ass goodbye when I am still going to be champion at the finale. Where you going, Cena? You're a pussy. Running away from your problems. Saying that you do in your personal life. You run away from everything. You can't face the fact face to face. I want you to hear everything I'm saying. I am the voice of the voices. I have the balls to say what no one else has the balls to say. Do I have everybody's attention now? You are not worth my time. Do I have everybody's attention now? Yes.